Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. Happy Monday. Very quiet market this morning. We got our eyes on BABA. We got our eyes on NVIDIA early. See if we can get a $3 pullback down to our 200 EMA at 207 and change. AXSM is on our radar. Boom, 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 boom. Would I call that a breakout? I don't know. It could be a breakdown. It could be a breakout. I don't know what it's going to do this morning. We're hanging. We're hanging. We'll see what happens. Good morning, Benzinga, Benzinga, Benzinga. How's everybody doing this morning? I'm not getting anything in the comments from Benzinga yet. AMC. Yeah, AMC's dead right now. I don't see it. There we go. Zena, I will check my email in a little bit. Okay. Consensus that the room thinks Bob is going up today. I don't know. Let's see what happens. BVOS, again, this is a nice little one. If you like it, you buy a little, you put it away. Nice breakout on the daily. Don't think it'll be for a day trade, but good morning, Diane. Good morning. Good morning. 207.38. Chris, all right. Now we're down there, 207.12. You want to raise it up to 38, that's fine. We're in the last couple of weeks of vacation time and summertime. So we'll see what they give us. Slow and steady as always, especially on the opening. Thank you, John. Yeah, we're watching Bitcoin. We'll keep our eyes on Riot and Mara. Bitcoin had a nice breakout. If Bitcoin makes a move, we can watch Riot and Mara. I don't know what Landmark Infrastructure Partner Communication Unit Limited Partnership International is. But it doesn't look like it trades a lot of volume. That's for sure. Average daily volume is 100,000 shares. Negativo rose, not for us. I don't see it. Like I said, it's a very quiet morning right now. Wow, there's the bell. We're off. Inlet. Boeing. Well, it was coming till you said something, Sally. NVIDIA 209.50 and Ripsky Dipsky to the upside. Let's make that a real order in Boeing, though. If we spike down to 214, I don't see it happening, but snow, lots of upside. All right. 279 would be a little short in snow if we got in that direction. Pins and needles, I don't see anything right now. Very early, very early. Oh, Limerick was a buyout. Okay. Gotcha. Wow, NVIDIA, guys. Look at that to the pivot point. 212.50. Gave a quick dollar. That was real early. 216.40 would be a short in NVIDIA if we go in that direction. What's BABA doing? BABA's kind of just hanging here. We'll see if it holds a 158. Just got the 158.05 BABA. All right, we got tickled in BABA. Let's see what the next move is. If you got a little at 158, start selling 158.50 and higher. We'll look for a lower level, but I'm not in it really yet. Edit, got to that 63.60, trying to bounce. I do like the 61.70 in edit if we get there. That's fine. Let's look for a real spot in BABA now, guys. What did I tell you was going to happen in BABA? All right? It's the same thing that happened last week. So I don't really like anything till 154 in BABA. unless we get a fall from moving average trade. This is exactly what it did last week. So let's do a little 156 BABA and then see if we get a fall from moving average down there. Again, I'm not in it. Let's just see what happens. That's why I don't like jumping in very early. Nah, it was just a marker, Adam. I was very clear in that. It was just a marker. What up, Sydney? Very, very clear. Wow, MRNA just went up $7. MRNA 396.60, a little short. A little bit out there in MRNA at 396.60. Very small. Up edit coming in. Yeah, it's kind of sitting. I like the edit, guys. If we get down to our 61.75. Yeah, MRNA up, down, all over the place. How about NVIDIA? Again, guys, it's a very quiet morning. NVIDIA short 216.50, right? Let's do a little bit of NVIDIA up there. 16.50. NVIDIA's wackadoodle. I guess it's just a buy. What else is new with this thing? All right, we got a little NVIDIA to short. We got a little MRNA to short. Yeah, these things are all flying. I mean flying. Cancel Boeing. AXSM. Ripsky Dipsky. Jesus, Boeing couldn't give us a chance to get in down there either. Yeah, MRNA could hit 408. Again, we're just looking for trades, guys. AMD, I did not check yet. AMD got right to 105 and bounced to 107. Holy crap. Look at that, right off the 200. Sick. Sick, 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 sick. All right, trying to cover a little MRNA at 396. If we pull back, just have like a $1.50 stop. That's why we keep MRNA very small. Yeah, we might get far from moving average in MRNA. So what do you like, 408? Give it a minute, MRNA. That's a big run up. 406, all right. I don't care anymore. BABA. We getting a fall from moving average in BABA? Ooh, we got the 156 and bounced 60 cents. All right. And we covered on MRNA for 60 cents. BABA's getting far from moving average, no? We're almost there in BABA. Let's put a little marker at 155. Maybe we'll get a far from moving average trade down there. Gotta like that. And we do not have a position in BABA. We're waiting. Waiting for a girl like you. I tried to warn you guys this morning about BABA. Told you I didn't like it early. NVIDIA, let's wait. Edit, let's wait. Boeing pop. Yeah, Boeing got beat up 7 days in a row. I mean, it was looking so good on a daily chart as far as getting a smackdown. No, Boeing could be setting up for a better trend trade now to the upside. Let's see what happens. It's very early, guys. Relax. Holy Facebook. Yeah, 362.10 short Facebook. BABA's a better short, guys, just so you know. Thing is not ready to go yet. 362.15. 362.15 Facebook for a little short, guys. If we get there fast. Like this pop-up. MRNA's a better buy on a pull. PayPal's a better buy on a pull. PayPal looks really good. We got nothing on the upside in that, Matt. 0.0. Facebook will give it, you know, between 50 and 75 cents. Everything is very choppy right now, guys and girls. We're spiking up. We're spiking down. We got to give things a few minutes to settle in. BABA, by the way, guys, is just a better short. At least down to 153 and change. So it's just a better short, BABA. BABA is not ready to go. Yeah, we saw Pfizer earlier today. It's nothing in Pfizer. MRNA's a better buy, guys, if we got to pull back. But again, look how choppy everything is. We're spiking up. We're spiking down. You know, we're going to get a far from moving average in BABA soon. Maybe that'll work. We're $2.50 away from the moving average. We almost have the 20 RSI. Let's see what happens. NVAX. Oh, we got the 155.02 BABA. Really? It's not ready yet. NVAX on the 200. BABA, I love 153.40 for a trade. Yes. Wow, NVAX getting the smack down now. Yes, 230 NVAX, 229 and change. It's good. All right, we're in Facebook. Cover a little Facebook at 361.90. Cover half here for a trade. Cover a little more Facebook if we get to 80. A little Facebook at 90. I get a little more at 361.80 and 361.70 out if we go in that direction. Quick trade if we can get it. Out at 80. Gotta get flat Facebook at 70 if we get there. Break even stop now. I keep putting the wrong prices in Facebook. 361.71. Break even stop now, Facebook, guys. Gets back up to 362.15. Just get out. Get a couple of bucks on it. That's it. Boeing. Holy Boeing. Yep, 220 Boeing is the next spot. And it is certainly a trend trade. Yes, 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 yes. All right, with flat Facebook here, we'll look for the next move. How did I not get it? BABA might have just given the far from moving average down at that 154 level, guys. Yep, 154.50. It gave the little reversal. Damn. All right, it wasn't fast enough. All right, we got a couple of bucks in Facebook. This market is so strong, guys. So strong. All right. Well, here's the gig in BABA. 153.40. I'm going to buy 10 shares, and then we'll definitely look for the far from moving average trade. Again, don't get crazy in BABA. This thing is just getting crushed like a potato latka. 153.40 is our pivot point. We'll look far from moving average if we get there. I hope nobody got caught in that BABA this morning, guys. I told you to stay away from it. Hood, you like the trend? 43.80. That looks good. 43.55. Yes, it's a better short. BABA is a better short. I said it 15 minutes ago. It's a better short. All right, we got a couple of bucks out of Facebook. Yeah, it went back down. That's fine. We got a couple of bucks out of MRNA. Wow, look at MRNA. MRNA getting spiked down now. Where do we like MRNA, guys? Just went down $9. This is what I'm saying about this market being very choppy right now, guys. Very choppy. Very choppy. You guys like MRNA at 385.50? I kind of like that. BABA might be getting into look to sell some puts. I don't have a stop, James. I'm only trying to buy 10 shares and look for a fall from moving average trade in BABA. Again, we might have just got it. And I think we probably did. And we missed it by what, guys? We missed it by 22 cents and it went up $1. So that was the trade. That was the spot. That was the spot we could have been aggressive and got into the trade. I said 5 minutes ago that the market is strong. Yeah, the market is strong. That doesn't mean stocks aren't. Look, the market is ridiculously strong, Deuce. Look at it. I'm talking about individual stocks. The market's going to make all-time highs again. Look how crazy. The market's insane. But we're looking at stocks that are coming in and they're getting a little weak. So one thing has nothing to do with the other. Right? Yes, we short Boeing at 220.50. 100%. I think BABA's going lower, guys. I don't even like BABA. I'll put a marker at 152 for a fall from moving average trade. This is going to be day 8 down in BABA now. So let's see what happens. Pfizer got full protection. Yeah. I'm confused with that whole thing. Really. I really am. I don't know what's going on with the vaccines and all that. I'll tell you one thing. We want to buy Boeing, right? So we pull back to 216.80 in Boeing. We are long on the trend. 216.80. We do a trend trade. MRNA missed by 15 cents. What's your level? Ah, the 200 at 390.60. Damn. I see it. BABA 148.75. Well, there was the bounce and there was the fall from moving average trade. Right there, right around 154. But again, the stock still looks like crap. Yeah, 149, BABA. If BABA gets to 149, we'll start looking options, guys, for this week. Getting a little bit overdone. Oh, Vivos. Now, Vivos is one if you like. You buy it, you put it away. It's not a day trade. And Netflix just ripped up solid. All right, let's put the Boeing short out, guys. We like that. I guess we had the MRNA short nailed, but it went $2 above it. Now, Boeing's coming in a little bit now. BABA cannot get out of its own way. Not yet, Ken, but we're getting close in BABA. All right, look at the daily now. I mean, we're getting there. But we got time. There's no hurry. I think the stock's going lower. I think it's going to break 150 probably. I mean, it just looks like crap. NVIDIA, BVOS, I saw first. Yeah, we talked about that. NVIDIA short 216.50, guys. Again, we're not there right now. Oh, sorry, guys and gals. And again, NVIDIA is a better buy, guys. Let's get a bid out in NVIDIA at 212.20. NVIDIA is a better buy. Boeing's a better buy. I'd rather make dollars than try to make little bits shorting these things when they're just strong. If we get pullbacks, we will short them if they get stretched out. But yeah, Dan, I'm going to look a little bit later in the day. If something happens before we get out of here, I'll let you know. I mean, it's a far from moving average trade on the daily chart now. So pick gold for the day, staying for a while. Good, Elver. And those 2 trades we had, excellent. Yeah, I mean, Boeing short, let's put that out again, 220.50. You got to like that. That would be really stretched out up there. Tesla, give me 1 second. Show you guys the Boeing chart and what it did on a daily level. Look at this, guys. Boeing was down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a row. And, you know, 221.80 is the daily resistance now. So 221.80 is daily resistance. Again, they're all better buys on pullbacks. Baba getting a little relief here. Yeah, riots up with Bitcoin. All right. Not setting up for a trade at the moment, though. Tesla, you can't short it. Let's look. Well, look at Tesla off the 200 down there. Yep. 691.50 Tesla if you're a Tesla dude. Yes, 691.30. Again, do Tesla very small if you're going to do it. Tesla's one you got to give at least a couple of dollars. So if it gets there, do it small, be patient. All right, cancel the Boeing short. Not happening. Boeing. Cancel BABA for now. That ain't happening. NVIDIA is still good. Boeing, let's put a bid out. 217.40. Small on the 9. Small. 217.40. We got 217.40 and 217 if we go in that direction. No, Boeing is not a sell short. I'm trying to buy it on a pullback. Boeing had its pullback, and that's the end of it. Now it's starting to go. It was a buy last week. So if it consolidates up here, guys, and goes sideways a little bit, we can still buy it. Stock is very, very strong. NVIDIA is hanging here too, very strong. No pullback. That's the 9 in NVIDIA. Let's do that smaller in the 9. 212.20 NVIDIA. So we take what they give us, guys. And right now they ain't giving us squadouche. Space, better buy than sell. On a pullback, I would not short it. Even at 26, it's not even $1 away. Not a short. I'm trying to go long on Boeing if it pulls back, Dan, to one of our trend lines. So everything we do is based on technical analysis. So I'm not going to run in and buy Boeing up here, even though it probably could go higher. We need a pullback to get involved. Snap trend trade. Let's look. Yeah, Snap's setting up for a decent trend trade. And the short is up at 70. I got 77.80, but 76.50 could work. I still like to shorten Boeing if it spikes up from here. Let's see what happens. MRNA just missed out there. Everybody all right in the private trading room? You guys okay? It's not a hell of a whole lot going on. What are we going to do, right? 3 times my goal. I'm golden. Beautiful. Green. Nice. Chewy? I don't know. I think I'd rather be long Chewy too. Yeah, Palantir is not a short, guys. Palantir is a better buy. It's a mess on a daily chart, but little red from Baba. All right, yeah, listen to me when I tell you something. All right? We were never, ever buying that stock. And I knew it wasn't a good buy off the opening. Uber's setting up for a nice uptrend if we can get a pullback. Yes. Uber looks good. Palantir invested in gold last week. That was a good trade. Mara. Oh, Mara's a better buy than sell too, guys. I would not be shorting Mara. Not with Bitcoin doing what it's doing. I don't think it's a trade, but I don't know. Palantir's a mess to me on the daily chart. A lot of people love Palantir long term. I liked it down to 21.75, and now it's just a bloody mess. I don't know. I guess you like Palantir, you have it in your portfolio, you put it away. That's the end of it. Never a day trade. MRNA double top, too early. I like Sally's 405. That's the next short in MRNA. That's it. NVIDIA bounce. Yeah, who was stuck in deer on Friday? That we made average at 348. I need a solid day trade. Yeah, we'll find them one. Rich, you're okay now, right? Yeah, I said to buy more deer when we were down there on Friday at like 347, 346, right? Boom, chaka-laka-laka, baby. Again, I don't even like shorting these things. I mean, MRNA's just telling us it's a buy. Yes, if we spike up to 405. All right, good. John, you were stuck and got out. Yes. You know, let's put a little MRNA out for a trade. 405.10. Yeah, I want to be long MRNA. Yes, I like it better on the buy side. 100%. 394.66. What's steak dinner? Edit. I don't know. Edit's been all over the place too. If you think it's going to hold this trend, you can do a little bit there, Kent. It's up and down. BNTX is going to have the same chart as MRNA, guys. Same exact chart. So pick your poison. I mean, that just set up at about 387. Gave you $2 if you were patient. All right, look at BNTX off the pivot point, guys. It was 387. Just gave you $2.50 off the short. I know. NVIDIA trend trade. Let's look. Yep. I mean, yes. NVIDIA's a trend trade. Boeing's a trend trade. Do you giving free week visit? Not for you. You've been there, done that, my friend. Guys, our private trading room is closed. We're oversubscribed. Later on, I'll give you guys my email. This guy only talks about MRNA. What are you talking about, Frederick? We had a trade in Facebook. We had a trade in MRNA. I'm looking at every stock that we're trading. Always working off the 5-minute baton. Yeah, so our room is oversubscribed right now. I will give free trials to people who have never been here, but you're going to have to send me an email, and I will let you know when we have a spot. We'll talk about it before we get out of here. What do we like in the video? We got 213.30 and 212.64. Do this small in the video trend. 213.35 and 212.70. Pull. Try to get in this trend. Coming in, QQQRSI. Just loaded up on AQST. Oh my God. May the force be with you in AQST. Not something we will ever trade. It just doesn't trade enough volume. But if you like it, could be in your I don't care what happens portfolio. It's all right. Again, VVOS, I don't touch for a day trade. Negative, negative, negative. Snapper. All right. Well, Snapper just hit the trend at 74.80. And you got 74.60. Below that, let me check out the Snap. Very good in Snap. All right. If you got in a little Snap here, you got to add at 60 and then see what happens. Pfizer on a rip. Yeah, bouncing a little bit, Pfizer. MRNA backed off. Let's cancel that short. It ain't happening. NVIDIA not pulling back enough. I'm not saying that AQST isn't okay, but it's got to be in your portfolio where you don't, not saying you don't care, but it's got to be in your risk on portfolio. It's something that's going to work or it's not, right? We're just not going to day trade it. Yes, Pfizer got full FDA approval. We know. All right, NVIDIA, what do we got? 213.80, 217.83. I mean, Boeing. 217. All right, we're going to leave 217.40 in Boeing. Trend. I like that. ON. 42.10 for double bottom. No, it hasn't been up and down $1. Don't like it. KSS. Coles is a better trend trade now. Yes, Christian. Definitely a better trend trade. Yes. We can't get any of these stocks to pull back. NVIDIA is not pulling back. Boeing's not pulling back. So I got nothing right now, guys and girls. It is what it is. Netflix don't like 548 anymore. SQ is going to move with Bitcoin. So, whoa, snap. All right. So you got 74.80, 74.60. Your average is 74.70. All right. So, have like a 74.20 stop and snap if it breaks the trend. It gets back to break even. You start selling a little bit. Mara. I love 35.85. That's not going to happen. BABA coming in again. BABA, booey, BABA, booey. They could, Matan. No, I got no position in BABA. BABA couldn't get up to that nice short there at 156, right? I'm telling you guys, BABA's going lower. BABA is no good. Snow a buy. Now, we're just going from 156 in BABA, so let's put a little marker out at 152. Okay. Did give a far from moving average trade this morning, so for those of you who don't know what a far from moving average trade is, if this sets up, I will walk you guys through it. I don't care anymore. Oh, let's see where we are in BABA weekly. Wow, that is one ugly looking chart. Someone knows something we don't know in this? I mean, I'm running out of pivot points in BABA now. All right, we made a great trade last week, guys. I mean, we were long at 160. We got out at 166. Same day. And we captured all of our puts. But that thing acts like crap. All right, over. I'll start BABA well before 120. I can tell you that right now. Well before 120. AMC. AMC's been dead money for a while now, too. I mean, today it looks okay, but could not break out of this range. Look at this weekly chart that we've been stuck in this range in AMC. Just can't break out, up or down. It's not doing anything. All right? I don't know, Dan. I have no opinion. If if you like this thing, I'd probably buy options, not stock. Daily chart is doing the same thing as the weekly stock chart, but not giving any indication of what it wants to do at all. No resolution yet. I don't know. All right, guys. I can't find anything to do. Cancel NVIDIA. We're just going higher. Boeing. Just going higher. I mean, these things aren't even giving us a shot to get in anyway, and I'm not chasing them. So ADI, check the spread and stuff in ADI, but 168.20 could be all right. Spread's good in that. I like that. ADI, guys, right? You like 168.22? I like that. Yes. 168.22 and ADI, whatever that is. Analog devices. I'll be down $4. Boom shakalaka. MRNA, where are we trying MRNA? 396.15. Got it. That's good. You got 396.60 and 395.50. So right in the middle of both. Snap. Yeah, I said to get out of these, guys, if you got in this snap, get out of at least half break even. Didn't stop you out. So take at least half off break even and keep it very tight now. Okay? Very tight. I don't know what that's going to do next, but I'd probably get out of the whole thing, break even, and just see what the next move is. Stop on ADI, 50 cents, but I don't think we're going to get it. Let's see. Banks are strong. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan. Yes, banks are strong. Alf halted. Alf, what's it all about, Alfie? All right. Keep your eyes on it after it opens. Edit. I don't know. You guys like 64 down $2.50 in edit? I don't know how this trades. Like a 40-cent spread. Not crazy about it. MRNA on a pullback. We got the 402. Yeah, I like MRNA. Let's do a trend, right? 395.40 MRNA. That's a trend. You want to start a little higher, that's probably okay, but 395.40 is the trend. As soon as we put our order out, it's going up. Almost guarantee it. ADI. Stop telling us that stocks have already shot up. Okay, Chris. What would you like me to tell you? All right, we got a little ADI here at 168.22. Sell half of the ADI right here, guys. 46. I tried to sell it at 46. Spiked right up to 45. Start selling a little at 44 if we get up there, ADI. So a little ADI at 45. This next bar will tell us whether we go up or down from here. So 168 stop now, guys. This breaks here, it's going lower. So 168 stop, we'll break even on the trade. Yeah, we sold a little at 45. Thought we'd get more. I think this thing should bounce close to 169 if it bounces. At 168.80 and 168 stop. Really thought we'd get more of a bounce out of this. Out. Break even. I don't like it. I don't know how that stock trades anyway. Took some Boeing here at 218. Oh, okay, good. Yeah, 217.96. I am not in Dogecoin. Nope. I'm not familiar with ADI anyway, so I'm not crazy about that one. All right, let's do a little Boeing at 217.55. Oh, like that. Trend. We'll see if these trends hold now, guys. 1750 Boeing. Pfizer look good. It's just not my thing, crypto. I think I traded it once in the last 2 years. We made a decent trade in it. If Boeing bounces from here, sell a little in the 50s, guys. See what the next move is. Yeah, Pfizer looks great, guys. Pfizer looks wonderful. I would not short Pfizer. Would not short Pfizer. Alpha unhalted. All right, again, probably not for us. It's another one. If you like it, you put it away. Yeah, I don't like this 8. I don't know what ADI is. I don't know. We made 25 cents. We lost 20 cents. Nothing. Pfizer, I would buy the trend if it pulled back to 50-50 and 50-20. 50-50, 50-20. Do I still like Boeing? Yeah, let's give it another minute. Give it another minute. If not, we'll go down to that 216.70. All right, Stu, excellent. Baba bounced. So Boeing now, where do you look to find the spread in the price? You look at the actual market maker. I'll show you. So here's Boeing, the market maker. So the difference between the bid and the ask in Boeing right now is like 5 cents, which is good. Oh, don't tell me we just missed 50 by a penny. Got to 217.52. So because something comes close and doesn't hit us, I cancel that. I'll look for a lower level. But you know it's going to hold that now. Right? We were 217.50. We could be selling some in the 80s already, which is what I've been looking to do. Now we've 8. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. Gosh darn it. 2 cents we missed it by. All right. Happens. Now if it goes back and breaks that, it's probably going lower. MRNA is dead. I am in NVIDIA sell short at 216.40. Oh, that was a spot. Yeah, 216.50. All right. NVIDIA, I think it was set up for a reversal swing trade. Yeah, tomorrow. One more day. I like that, Shriv. Yes. We will watch. All right, cancel that one for now. Yeah, NVIDIA's getting stretched up here, guys. Definitely. I think. PFE, Pfizer. Yeah, Pfizer, you got 50-40 and 50-20. Oh, 2 spots to buy a little Pfizer. 50-40, 50-20. That would be the trend trade. All right. You guys okay in Snap? Should be flat or close to it. AMC to 1,000. AQST to 100 soon. Yeah, we're not apes in here, Mr. Ape Father. We're just kind of traders. Different strokes for different folks, right? This is a trading room, not an ape room. But I hope everybody makes money. That's my hope. F you, Boeing, and the horse you rode in on. NVAC short at 241.75. Okay. What program is this? We are day trading. NVIDIA, you're in at 216.50. Yeah, the pivot point worked in NVIDIA. Gave you a quick 50 cents. Did it not exactly get that? That was perfect. That was the pivot point. It missed it by a penny, really? Ah. Darn it. One time you didn't cheat. NVAC's having a little trouble up here too. Let's see if that one pulls back from here. So it hit Ken. Right? Look at that, guys. Just almost gave you $1 trade in NVIDIA. Is that perfect? Perfect for $1 right now. I canceled it because I didn't think it was going to get there, but some people in the room got it. Yes, pivot point worked beautifully for a trade in NVIDIA and NVAX. Yeah, listen, guys and gals, especially my Benzinga peeps. What I do, what my private trading room does, what the course that we teach you is about day trading. That's what we do. Trying to make a couple bucks every day. Adds up to bigger amounts at the end of the day, the week, the month, and the year. I think today we had 3 trades, and all 3 worked today. Look at the video, guys. Could you have had a better spot to short it? Boom, chaka-laka-laka. Perfect dollar. We'll buy the video if we get down there 213.80 for a trend. I really like that. Technical analysis works, guys. You put that together with your money management, you should make money. That's the bottom line. Depending on what technical analysis you're using, of course. But everything that we do, that I do with you guys on Monday and Tuesdays, is what we do in my room every single day. It's what we teach you in the course. Everything that we do here, we teach you in the course. Edit. Edit never got down there. Wow. Ridiculous. It's getting there. Only a 63 RSI, though. Only a 63 RSI. Not yet. NVAX gave $1. NVIDIA gave $1 on the shorts. Boeing, guys. You guys good in Boeing on the trend, guys? So here we go in Boeing, right? 218, 27. We missed 217.50 by 2 cents. It's up $1. So Boeing, I would start selling my first lot right now at 218.30. That was perfect. And you can still be in it. But gorgeous trade. All right, we were bidding 217.50. You got to 217.52. That's all right, Julian. Take some, sell half. It doesn't matter how many shares you have. Sell half, sell half, sell half. You can still think the video is going higher, but it was a good trade. But Boeing is a perfect example of a trend trade. I mean, just gorgeous. MRNA 405.11 small. You going to add to it, Sally? Tell us now. Tell us now. Add with a 410 stop. What? You're going to short a 411 and add with a 410 stop? Oh, you're willing to risk $5 on it. I got you. Okay. Got you. I don't think we're getting there now anyway. As soon as you say that, we go down. Sid, it's on my chart for everybody to see. Baba, how about 155.80, Baba? That I like. You know, if Baba turns down from here, it's a better short. But 155.80 would be a real good spot. The best thing about what we do, everybody, especially my Benzinga peeps, is our charts tell us where to make trades. 167.80 gold is good. So here's a chart of gold. We use a 9 EMA, 15, 65, and 200 exponential moving averages to tell all you guys, right? And when the stock gets to one of our moving averages, we decide whether it's good for a trade or not based on our rules. So we're looking at gold. If it pulls down to 166.80, that is a support level. Then we got 166.20. And this is what we do in all our charts all day. We look for levels to buy and sell stocks based on the technical analysis that we use. I like BABA 155.80, guys. Let's go up to the trend, but I like it. 155.80. So we're looking at BABA now, which is going down. So as it goes up, we look for a resistance level. And we have one at 155.10 and 155.80. I'm being a little conservative, going up to the 155.80. That would be a trend trade. It's not rocket science. It just takes a while to get used to everything that we do. Ooh, did you get Pfizer at that 50-50? Yeah, so you should have got a little Pfizer at 50-45, guys, right? Again, Pfizer's not going to give you $10, so you sell a little here. All right, that's a 30-cent trade in Pfizer. What's wrong with that? Take some profits. You know, if you bought 2,000 shares there, you're up $600 in a minute or two. But the trade worked. Stop on BABA, we'll give it 50-60 cents. I'll get my eye on it. UPST, my favorite stock in the world. Not for me. I don't trade UPST. But 201.90 is the spot. Yes, 201.90. Vivos, again, you like Vivos, you have it, you put it away. Tesla looks good again, yes. Tesla's in a nice uptrend. That is not a short. Messy chart, though, Tesla, on the daily. Both sides are nowhere. And BABA just went down. We can cancel that. NVIDIA. What do we got? That was just such a great short up there in NVIDIA. I don't like NVIDIA till 214, guys. 214.05, which I do like. People are truly sickening investing in Jonestown and the Rockefeller Pharmaceutical. I don't even know how to respond to that. I am not investing in anything in this room. Biggles. I'm trading. 214.10. I will trade anything that sets up for a trade. I don't care what it is. MRNA missed the pivot above for a $3 trade. Yep, 405 and change. Yes. NVAX is now down $2.50 from our pivot point, which was a short. Yes. Yeah, I'm starting to learn that, Jim. Jeez Louise. Holy mackerel. Crazy. Yep, BlackBerry. Some of the meme stocks are picking up a little bit. Yeah, I don't like Palantir. I think Palantir is kind of dead here. It's not a trade. JD, 61.95 we like. Ooh, I like that down there, guys. Yes, BB. That'd be $1.50 away from the moving average and hit a pivot point. Looks good to me. I sold an NVAX 320 call for Friday. I could be all right in that. What kind of premium do you get on a 320 call? It's a little higher than where you sold it right now. Yeah, it's meme stock city right now. For the moment. Yeah, BABA ain't getting in. NVIDIA's not doing anything. Boeing. I don't like Boeing anymore, guys. Let's look for a lower level in Boeing. It's hit this trend trade 3 times now, right? Let's wait. So we got 216.70 and 215.80. I like 215.80 in Boeing a lot. That is our 200 EMA. Sometimes you can't go back to the well too many times on this trend trades. It just doesn't work. 215.80. I like it. And if it holds there, we can be a little aggressive. Yeah, so all the drug stocks are higher today. Yes, yes, yes. Cook. Cook is setting up for a trend trade. Absolutely, Shrin. Facebook. Facebook's just a buy again, guys and girls. Need the pullback, but it's a buy. When stocks are trending like this, they're telling us that they're going to go higher. You know, we just got to get some consolidation or someplace where we can buy it if we get a pullback. URI. Is that United Rentals? Not enough volume for me and choppy all over the place. And NVIDIA. Oh, check out pins. I can do that for you. Let's go right to the daily chart and pins. Yeah, this has still been an ugly stock. Ever since the earnings came out, it hasn't really recovered. So I don't see anything in that one right now. MRNA 405 brick wall. And it didn't even get there, number one. Number two, that could be the spot where it goes to 450 if it keeps testing that level. Yes, Angeli, thank you for that. Yes, yes, yes. I tell you one thing already, guys and girls. Ooh, Boeing. Do we like this 216.70 small? Want to try like 20 shares there? See if we get a bounce. We can add to it down lower. I bought a tiny, tiny bit at 216.70 here, guys. But I'm willing to add at 215.80. And I'm looking for like 30, 40 cents if we get above here. All right, 217.05, something like that. Out of 217.05. We'll see if it holds the pivot point. Shorted AMC a few minutes ago. All right. 36.14. Okay. Gonna take our money. A whole lot of spending money. We are slowing down. Netflix. Where do you like Netflix, Sal? 549. All right. $549 and $547.70 Netflix. If you like Ski. Yeah, Boeing seems a little weak now, right? Couldn't get above that 217 level. We'll give it another minute here. We'll have a break-even stop. 216.70. There we go. 35 cents in Boeing. All right, everybody get a little Boeing trade there? Yeah, but you have to understand, Deuce, I'm just trading very small to lead all of my traders. I don't want anyone walking into the room at the beginning and seeing me slapping around thousands of shares and making $1,000 or losing $1,000. You know, we cater everything to our beginning traders. But I have people in the room that just bought 4,000 shares there. Took $800 out of it. Everybody in the room get the Boeing trade, guys? Yes, yes. Good, good. Cancel the 215.80 now. Video. Yeah, Deuce, I don't slap around thousands of shares. Look, if I like something a lot, I'll get aggressive. I'll do 100 or 200, but that's not what I'm here for. Doesn't matter how much money I make or lose with my trading. I have a lot of people that are trading 10 shares at a time. Why is it so dark in here? Let there be light. There we go. Yeah, so some of the beginning traders who come into my room are trading 5 or 10 shares to start. And then I have people that trade thousands of shares every time we do a trade. I cancel NVIDIA for now. Cars, XPEV. Another one that's done nothing for weeks and months. I don't see it. Riot. Riot. Dead. Not doing anything at them. I don't see anything there either. Adobe. It's a nice uptrend. Adobe, doesn't this kind of trade with NVIDIA? Aren't they in the same kind of business, I think? Same looking chart, right? So you're better off trading NVIDIA. It's a little cheaper. SRNE is another one of these stocks. It's a drug stock, right? So here, there are a lot of these little stocks floating around, Alf, Serene, all these little things, right? And what I tell people is you can have a certain percentage of your portfolio that you invest in some of these things and you forget you have them. As for a trader, it's not going to work for me. But you like a couple of these little things, you take 10% of whatever your investment thesis is, and you put it in a bunch of those. And if they work, great. And if they don't, you're willing to lose it all. Facebook 363 and 62.25 is good for a buy. Yes. Boeing, let's get out to 215.80, right? Just in case now. If you like Boeing, I really like it 215.80 too, if it gets there, especially if it goes fast. So I'm going to do 200 shares there. I think that'll be a real good level, and we'll get a nice bounce if we get down there. So we're going to be more aggressive in certain spots and less aggressive in certain spots. What do we got in coin? 258.90. Love it. So here's coin, guys, right? Come on. Why is that doing that? I don't know. All right, so here's coin. We're coming down from 266. And we got our 200 EMA at 258.85. So we'll call it 259 so we don't miss it. And I like that. 100 shares at 259. It's coming down a long way, and it'll hit our 200 EMA. So yeah, at least $1. So adjust your size accordingly, Christian. $1 to $1.50. So I'd love to see Boeing spike down right to our level right now, 215.80. That would be a spicy meatball. Yeah, if you're not willing to risk $1, $1.50, don't trade certain stocks. That's fine. Everything's coming in now for some reason, right? Half hour ago, everything was going up. Now everything's going down. Yeah, NVIDIA just tickled the 9 at 215. I like it better at 214. If we can go in that direction. So now we got to see if these things are going to hold trend trades now, or our 65s or 200s. No, again, BABA's not far from moving average. We're less than $1 away. I think BABA's going below 150. It certainly appears that way anyway, doesn't it? We got our coin out. So now we keep an eye on these things because I want it to happen fast. The longer something takes to get to one of our levels, it's not going to be as effective a trade. I know, BABA's been setting up with nothing but a short. Good question, Vic. Theater, I don't know. We sold most of that stock over $30. It is under 30 again. Wow. 26.55. I don't know. I'm going to wait now because I don't think the spiders are stretched enough to the upside now. You know, we made a trade in that worked out really well. And now we're hanging. See what happens. Volume is dropping. Correct. In every single stock that we're looking at. No question about it. Gunfire with U.S. troops and Taliban. All righty. Yeah, that's why. So let's hang out for a couple of minutes. I got no orders. Let's just relax. See what happens. Yep. It's not going to affect the market, I can tell you that. This market could give two craps what's going on anywhere at this point. Really, it's amazing how resilient this market's been for a year. It's crazy. So now we're just kind of sitting in the middle of everything. And we are losing volume. Look at Boeing already, guys and girls. Look at the volume in Boeing. Look at this. Why does this keep sticking here, you son of a beeswax? Look at the volume in Boeing, guys and girls. Look. I mean, in 1 hour, it's gone. There is no volume anymore. And it's basically every stock that we're looking at right now. The same thing is happening. The volume is just gone. Gone, 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 gone. In every stock that we're looking at. Coin. Yeah. It just missed it. Coin got to 259.01. So again, we would have missed it by a penny, and I would have started selling it for a 65-cent profit already, right? We would have missed it no matter what we did, unless you cheated. If anyone cheated and bought it, take your profits. There's 80 cents. So again, it just shows how good the technical analysis is. After a stock moves that much, guys and girls, the odds of that bouncing from there were about 90%. And you take a quick 70, 80 cent profit, and now you have a break-even stock. If it gets back below it now, chances are it's going lower. We'll look at the 256.20, which I would really like. And this is what we do all day. This is technical analysis. Some days we get 2 or 3 trades. Some days we get 10 trades. Some days we get no trades. But it's all about patience and discipline and money management once you get into a trade. All right, let's put out 256.20 if we spike down from here. And coin. 256.20. 256.20. All right. Look, we can't get into trades unless things hit us. $256.20. Crap, I just bought that at the market. Where'd I buy it? $258.44. Get me out. Get me out. Yes, I teach that one. I do it all the time. Whenever you have an error, just get out of a trade. Anyway, we ain't getting a 256.20. Not right now. But that's the spot. All right, well, you got a couple of bucks out of it. Good. Like I said, this market is just very confusing to me today. We're up, we're down, we're sideways. Things are ripping all over the place. Boeing, which looked like the greatest thing since sliced bread, just broke down to nothingness now. I don't even like 215.80 now. I like 214.44. Better. Labu's up 12%. Wow. This is all the drug stocks. This is the biotech index. Labu. So it trades with all the drug stocks. We get up near 63.60. That'll be a nice short on the daily chart. NVIDIA gave the bounce off the trendy. Okay. Yeah. 214.50, right? Yeah, that was nice. Wow, that's been a really strong stock, and it held it. So, you know, you take 50 cents on some now. Very nice. Burner, Bo Burner. Yeah, I mean, 405 has become the brick wall now, Greg. 1, 2, 3, right? We've seen this before. So around 400 is a buy-in now. Myrna, around 400. Man, is Baba ugly. So we're going to do swing trading for my regulars in the room today. I will record it. We'll do that this morning. Again, so we have it in our in the archives for those of you who have bought the course. Yeah, Mara's trying to bounce off the 200 here at 36. If it doesn't, we can see 34.80. Don't like it because it's kind of just sitting there. Well, I love Boeing if we get to 214.50. I don't think we're going to, but that would be the spot. Everything's kind of just flattening out now. I'm not liking anything right now, guys and girls. I think we're just chopping around here. I don't think there's much rhyme or reason to do anything. Docs is a nice trend trade, yes. Do you teach this one-on-one? No, JJ. I know, Therese, we're going to miss you. I know. I know I'm getting a little tear in my eye, Teresa. No, I don't see anything either. No, I really am, Teresa. It's been great to have you here. But like everybody said, what you do is much more noble and important than what we're doing here. This is only money. Exactly. We'll see you next summer. Your spot is always saved here. One of our regulars is a teacher who is going back to work. But as you said, Therese, you can take this with you for the rest of your life now, right? It's a beautiful thing. It is a beautiful thing. Yeah, Therese said, Sydney, since you left the room, she don't want to be here anymore. Therese, if you're going to come in here for a week or so at a time, you are comped. Come do that anytime you want. Okay? You have my blessing. Jake, what are you doing over in Benzinga? Aren't you in the room? This market is dead now. I mean, literally dead. NVIDIA bounced off to 215.50. I hear you. All right, so a lot of people are asking me. Okay. 2 ways you can connect with us, guys. All right, let me show you. First of all, our course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. This is the best course I've ever done. It is doing incredibly well. It's over 6 hours of content, and it starts at the very beginning. It's me and Peter. We teach you basic language of the stock market through advanced trading technique, options, everything that you need to know. The course is just spectacular. So we have stock market basics, language of the stock market, money management, chart basics, our 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options, Bitcoin. And the best part about this course, guys and girls, Diane said, best course I've ever taken. Every Thursday night, you're going to click this link and you get mentorship with me and Peter. Every Thursday night forever, included in the price of the course. We have gotten nothing but great feedback on this. If you know nothing about trading, take this course, get with me every Thursday night, and we will mentor you all the way through for as long as you are with us. Okay? It's over 6 hours, this course. It's just spectacular. I'm so proud of it. It's the best thing I've ever done as far as teaching people how to trade. It's incredible. Let me just show you. I think we have discounted it for Benzinga also. Normally we charge $449. There you go. 10% off for Benzinga people. It's only $447. You have it forever. Over 6 hours of content. It's 447 bucks, max. And you have it forever. Get in DG's room for at least a month and it'll change your life as a trader. Thank you, Sid. The course is spectacular, and you'll be with me every Thursday night. Walk you through it. I will answer any questions that you have about anything. Last Thursday night, we talked about swing trading for the entire time, like an hour and a half. Every time we get together on Thursday night, it's recorded. And you'll go to in the members area to the archives. Here we go. And you'll have every single class recorded. We're a couple behind right now because we're working on a few things, but you click on 610, an hour and 18 minutes we talk. 617, an hour and 20 minutes. 623, an hour and 15 minutes. This is every Thursday night. So that's it. That's the course, $447. I highly suggest it. You'll get me every Thursday night. That's WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. So you sign up today, you'll be with me Thursday night. Now, the other thing, my private trading room is full. I don't have any available spots at this time. But what I've been doing is write down my email. If you're really interested in getting a trial, you send me an email, and as soon as I have room for you, I will get you in for a 5-day free trial. The email is dgreen927@yahoo.com. Everybody write it down, dgreen927@yahoo.com. That is the email. Ooh, did we just pickle this 215.85? Nah, kind of just missed it, Boeing. Sydney, you're done. You're not allowed in my room anymore. You're banned forever. So it looks like Boeing just kind of tickled that 215.85. It just missed it. I don't know. I don't like Boeing that much anymore. I kind of like the 214.50 now in Boeing. I will, Zena. I will check my email as soon as I'm done. So two things, guys and girls, WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com and dgreen927@yahoo.com. I'll get them to post the email and the link in a minute, or before we get out of here. Don't like Pfizer anymore, guys. I don't like Pfizer anymore. I think it's too slow. It's not doing anything. Thank you for CoinTrain. Bought 257.50. 257.50. Spiked up. All right. I mean, 256.20 is the next spot in coin, guys. Yep. Ken, you have it. Yeah, that's it. 256 is a level. MRNA collapsing. Oh, that's got to be Sydney posting that. Yes, 100%. Thank you, Mohammed. There's the email, guys. So again, my private room is full right now, but if you send me an email when I have an opening, I will let you come in for a 5-day free trial. Okay. Yes. Azam, you're already in, so you're getting your 5-day free trial right now. All right. Yes, yes, yes. There you go. Wall Street Global Trading Academy. Thank you so much, Happy. Might coin bounce here. So send me those emails. I have some room for you guys this week, so I have some room for you guys this week. Isn't it PayPal credit card? I think it is. Might coin bounce back? That's a great question. And the answer to that is it might, but it doesn't certainly look like it's a buy anywhere, right? The stock's in a downtrend now. So I don't even know if I don't even like 256.20 anymore. I don't like it down to 252 now. That's the next spot I really like coin. I mean, it's gone into a downtrend now. Yeah, you can do credit cards, Frederick, to buy the course. IGMS. This doesn't look like it trades any volume. IGMS. The average daily volume in this is 140,000. I appreciate that, John. I'm doing this for a long time, my friend. I'm trading for 35 years. I worked on the Florida Stock Exchange for 20 years, and I was able to retire when I was 38 years old. And I spent the last 10 years just trying to help people figure this out. Sydney, Teresa says she misses you. Yeah, look at NVIDIA. I mean, it was just perfect off the actual trend trade in the VWAP. 214.20, almost up $1. Perfect. Here's the thing, John. Also, we will never try and sell anybody anything without helping them. The key to this whole thing is having mentorship once you buy a course or come into a room, right? I trade live with my traders all day, for better or worse. This is my real trading account with Interactive Brokers. I have $27,100 in it. Every time I do a trade, we post it before we get in the trade, and there's nothing but transparency. And when people buy the course, we're with them every Thursday night, forever. So, you know, for better or for worse, we're accountable for everything that we do, which is rare out in the education world these days. I can tell you that right now. Yep, I see Bitcoin coming in a little bit. 49,800 now. Yeah, so anything that has to do with Bitcoin also took a spiky dikey down. Looks like MRNA tickled the trend, guys, for a $2 trade already. Look at this. MRNA, 463 was the trend. It went up $2. Those of you in the trading room, Yogesh and everybody else, we'll talk in about 15 minutes when we finish with Benzinga, okay? Excellent, Bill. That's okay. Yeah, anyone who's in the room visiting today, hold your questions until we finish with Benzinga, and I will answer them all. Wow, $3 in MRNA off the trend, guys. Trend was 480. Look at this thing. Are you kidding me? Did anyone in the room grab MRNA on the trend? Holy spectacular. MRNA's messed up. Joe, you got some there? Take your profits, man. It's up $4. I know, Ken. I know. Ken, did you grab some? Therese, if I look at it and I say I like it, you can do it. I might not always put an order in myself. I don't have time. Gabish. NVIDIA gave $1.50 off the pivot point. Gorgeous. I don't like Boeing anywhere now. But MRNA's been a home run today a few times. Yes, yes, yes. Coin bouncing? No, coin is still ugly. I don't know. We like it here. 256.30 is the spot. I don't know. I think I passed for now. It would have been good if we got right there. All green for me today. Exceeded my goal. Out of here tomorrow. Thank you again. You're welcome, Diane. That's spectacular. Beautiful. Yeah, it's been a good morning. Knock on wood. I think I would have liked coin if we went straight there now. Not so crazy about it now. MRNA was the home run again. And you got to trade MRNA. You know, you get $2, $3, $4 on a trade, you take it. Move on. All of them are up. BNPX is up 10%. MRNA is up. They're all doing the same thing. I'm nice and green. No point in forcing anything. No. DG, you got to do Benzinga every day for a couple of hours. Well, Benzinga has a lot of spectacular, fantastic people that do other things. So it's a good mix. It's a good mix. Yeah, that would be great in PayPal. AMC sell short at 37. It's not even $1 move. I don't see it, BB. I don't like it. Well, the last thing we have to talk about before we get out of here is Benzinga. I would say at least 30% of the people in my room are using Benzinga Pro. As for scanners, it is the best in the business. For news, they are the best. So let's post that Benzinga app also, guys. You get a 2-week free trial. Just incredible. Benzinga Pro, let's get that up there. I know, coin missed by 9 cents and just went up $2. But again, everybody can see how well our technical analysis works. It's almost scary sometimes, right? Look at that. I mean, it literally missed it by 10 cents and gave you a $2 trade. If we look at MRNA, trend trade, that was around 400. It went up $4. You cheated in coin and still missed. Oh, yeah. No, Chad. Let me see. Let me make sure. I don't think it is. Just make sure when you're putting your pivot points in that you have 3 support and 3 resistance, and make sure show plot, show bubble, and show title is clicked all the way across. Chad, make sure they're clicked all the way across, and then you're okay. But no special settings. Baba short, hold on. Let me look. Baba Booey, yes, 156.60. Let's put it out short. I love it. I got coin and took 80 cents. Good, Webb. Excellent. So now we're looking at Baba, getting a little legs, but we have a nice short on our 65 EMA, which we're going to do based on our 65 EMA. Yeah, 50 cent stop, Baba. It's good. So every time we get into a trade, we talk about our entry, what our profit target will be, and a stop order most importantly. We have a stop order on every single trade that we do, no matter what. Okay? What is my opinion on Benzinga's trading course? I don't have one. I'm sure it's spectacular. We do different things. So, you know, any product that Benzinga puts out there is good. I can tell you that right now. Okay? Look, there's a million ways you can approach trading, guys, and learning how to trade, right? For me, the most important thing is to get the mentorship so that once you get going, you have somebody who can help you every single day. But Benzinga does not put out bad products, okay? I got so good at this, I haven't had a single red day since leaving the room. I'm not going to even talk about it, but we've had a lot of green days in a row, Sid. It's been a good month. Let's just put it that way. And it's all about just being patient, everybody. You know, learn the technical analysis. Look, you see how calm we are and how slow we move, and nothing is rushed and nothing I got to run in to put an order out or anything. No, we have time. We have time. I hear you, Jay. I would not do a double top in the video. It's going too slow. I mean, the video is just spectacular off the trend. It's giving us $2 now, basically. It was beautiful. You catch more flies with honey than vinegar, Jack. It is what it is. And taking 80 cents out of a trade at the beginning is not bad, Webb. You know, we're going to teach you through the course or through my room to get the most out of your winning trades and get out of your losing trades very quickly. That's what we're going to teach you. And that's what trading's all about. There's no ego. You got to get out of your bad trades and make as much as you can on your winning trades. And that's, you know, you have to learn it. That's all. Would I short coin? At 261, I would. I mean, this missed us by 9 cents and gave a $2 profit. That's crazy. Sick. I think we got like 3 or 4 minutes left, guys. If anybody has anything longer term that they want me to look at, that you're visiting with us. Again, the moving averages we use are 9, 15, 65, and 200 exponential. Yeah, and the video wants to go higher, guys. I mean, that was just a beautiful opportunity down there at 214 and change. The only other technical analysis I use is a relative strength index set on 20 and 80. If it gets below 20, I'll look to start buying a stock. If it gets above 80, I will look to start shorting a stock. And that's it. We keep it simple. And our pivot points. That's it. That's it. That's it. Yeah, NVIDIA looks like a better buy. No question about it. BABA cancel, we're not going in that direction. We haven't even looked at Apple in months. All right, Bowie's not so great anymore. NVIDIA was the gift that kept on giving today off that trend trade. Where are we daily in the video? We getting a little stretchy poo-pooed? Yeah, one more day in the video, guys. And it could be setting up for a short, although we need the 80 RSI. How many shares are you buying at a time? That depends on your account size. ACK, I usually trade 25, 100, 200 if I really like something. And the people in my room who are trading, the beginners, sometimes are trading 10 shares. And then I have people in my room that make 7 figures a year that trade thousands of shares every time we do a trade. So it depends. Depends on what you have in your trading account to trade with. And it depends on what you're comfortable with. NVIDIA is a bull flag. Yes, JNUG. JNUG looks good. Whoa, what is that? Webcam chat, hot girls and boys video. How did those people get in here?
I don't know. I just kicked them out, David.
I get them in my room too. You can't. But Joe just asked how much a month. That's too funny.
Got to be careful, Joe. You don't want to get put on a list somewhere.
Yeah, exactly.
But David, I mean, going back to NVIDIA, I know you say this is your favorite stock to trade, right?
It's one of them. No, actually, I have to tell you. No, Aaron, I have to tell you, okay? Before the split, this was my worst stock that I could ever trade in my life. I did nothing but lose money in it. I even stayed away from it for a while after the split. But for this month, it's really respected our levels. It's a nice $216 stock, and we've done very well in it. So I've gone back. What can I tell you?
Yeah, no, I was being facetious. I remember you talking
about it's true, though.
How you hated trading NVIDIA, but you liked it long-term, you know. And this is NVIDIA, full disclosure, I have in my long-term portfolio too. I love the stock, but it's definitely can be hard to trade. But before we head out, let's go back to BABA real quick. 'Cause this is one I've been watching.
A lot of people are still very bullish on this stock. And, you know, to me, it's all about technicals. We made a trade last Friday, right? We went home long. The stock was about $160. And was it Friday? When was Peter on with you guys? Yeah, I think it was Friday. I don't remember. And we walked in the next day and we sold it for a $6 profit. And we get out of the trade. And this has been bad. Look, this is all about China and what's going on there, right? I mean, that's what this is about. You know, with today now, if we close lower, we're down 7 days in a row and our RSI is again really stretched out. I'm a little confused now. I think the stock maybe can go lower from here. It just acts horrible. It really does. But I have a lot of people asking me, Aaron, I want to start buying this and put it away longer term. To me, I'm confused about what's going on in China. And you never know what those guys are going to do. I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean, I think there's definitely a lot of fear with everything in China. My thought process on it is I think eventually it will kind of blow over. You know, I think there would have to be some big fundamental changes in the way we do business with China and stuff for it to be like a long-term problem. But with these stocks that are in a downtrend, it's so hard to hop in and try to find the bottom. So I'd rather wait to see a little bit of an uptrend, see it come back up to maybe that 170 level, showing me that there's some strength in it before I get in and try to ride it back up to 200 something.
Yeah. And again, sometimes, and this is important for everybody out there, I'd rather buy a stock showing strength than trying to pick the bottom in a stock somewhere, because that's always very difficult to do. What I'm going to do this week at some point is, again, I'll probably sell some lower puts for this week. If we're down today and tomorrow, you know, I might sell some 145s and 140s, meaning that worst case scenario, if it does go to 145 or 140, we'll start a little swing trade down there. Otherwise, we'll just collect a premium, which is what we did last week. I mean, it's getting overdone. You know, this is the first time in a very long time that BABA's had a relative strength below 20. And, you know, we're down to 17 now. But that doesn't mean it can't keep going down. That's the bottom.
Yeah, and I mean, if you are getting into this stock, you should be aware of what's going on in China. Follow that news, but like I said, I think there's a lot of fear there right now. I don't know how long that will last. I mean, China is still our biggest partner, our biggest business partner by country, and there would have to be some huge fundamental changes for that not to be the case anymore. So
agreed, and this isn't the first time something like this has happened with them. So, and the stock has always recovered. It's not certainly nothing fundamentally wrong with the stock, right? They came out, they had their earnings, everything was fine, they're doing well. So it's all about the China worry.
Right. Thinking about it in the chat saying he sold puts and calls on BABA. Let us know how that went. All right, David, it is time, though. We have to head over to SPAX Attack. Big episode with Mitch over there. So this stream will automatically redirect you there. And then, David, we'll see you back tomorrow morning.
Excellent. Thank you for the opportunity again, Aaron. See everybody in the morning.
Of course. All right, David, have a good one.
You too.